In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the PayPal Friends and Family option when it is not showing. If you can't see this option, it's usually because PayPal is treating the payment as a business or goods purchase. The good news is, you can fix this quickly. First, open your PayPal app or log in on the website. Go to Send Money. Now, before choosing the payment method, check if you are sending money to a business email or a merchant. If yes, PayPal will automatically hide the Friends and Family option. To fix this, you have two options. Option 1. Confirm the recipient is a person, not a business. Ask the person to send you their personal PayPal email instead of a business one. Once you use a personal email, the Friends and Family option should appear. Option 2. Switch to the correct payment type. If the recipient has a personal account but the option is still missing, make sure you choose Sending to a Friend instead of Paying for Goods or Services. Sometimes the app defaults to the wrong option, so double check. Also, check your country settings. In some countries, PayPal has removed or limited the Friends and Family option. If that's the case, you may not be able to use it. Finally, make sure your PayPal account is verified. Unverified accounts sometimes lose access to this option. So, in summary, use a personal email, choose the correct payment type, and confirm your account is verified. That's how you fix the Friends and Family option not showing on PayPal. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.